Dear student of Standard 8, hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will discuss chapter 13 and this is lecture 4. Today I will solve your exercise and creative questions. Number 1. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO situated? Answer will be it is Paris. Number 2. Where is the headquarters of FAO situated? It is in Rome. Number 3. UNFPA works to implement family planning. Because to turn population into human resource, it is not the function or activities of UNFPA, and also make population self-reliant, it is also not the activities or objectives of UNFPA. So answer will be implement family planning. Number 4, as the permanent members of the Security Council have veto power, they can declare war against any country, cancel or postpone any decision taken by the Security Council, go for any conflict resolution. So, though this phone number question is at present does not belong to your topic, but answer will be 2 and 3. Because it is the objectives of United Nations. Now read the following stem and answer question 5 and 6. Mr. Shamim and Mr. Hanif are neighbors. Mr. Shamim's baby was suffering from measles. Mr. Hanif went to see the baby and came to know that Mr. Shamim did not vaccinate him. After knowing this, Mr. Hanif told Mr. Shamim that vaccines for 6 deadly diseases are supplied free of cost to protect child health. Since he vaccinated his babies timely, they are not suffering from those diseases. Number 5. What played the most important role to keep Mr. Hanif's babies? Okay, this will be Hanif. So you can see here that is there is one organization which helps or plays a great role to provide vaccines for 6 deadly diseases. So this organization is called WHO, isn't it? That is World Health Organization. Number 6. What are the main objectives of that organization to keep this project? So here number A, to ensure the best health facilities for everyone in the world, to provide free treatment for the rural and poor people in the world, to ensure health service for the third world countries, to provide health facilities to the poor countries by the rich ones. So already you know that which one will be the answer. So the main objectives of WHO is to ensure the best health facilities for everyone in this world. Now creative question. Organization 1. The headquarters is in Paris. It has 195 member states at present. So here you can understand that the organization 1 will be UNESCO, isn't it? That means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Okay, so organization 2, that is it was formed on 7th April in 1948. The headquarters is in Geneva. So which organization it is WHO, that means World Health Organization. Okay, now question A number, how does UNFPA runs its activities? So answer will be UNFPA runs its activities through its regional offices in the different parts of the world. Number B, explain the programs of UNDP in Bangladesh. So you will do this answer from your book. So in your book there is one para on the basis of the Bangladesh, that is UNDP has been working for the development of Bangladesh since 1972. UNDP helps Bangladesh to eradicate poverty, to develop socio-economic condition in rural areas, to develop women, to establish good governance and democracy, to develop environment, etc. So you will write B number question from your book. Number C, describe the activities of organization in B. So the organization 2 was the WHO, isn't it? So here you will explain the activities, that means the objectives of the or activities of WHO in Bangladesh. So it is also you will write from your book. So WHO plays a great role in Bangladesh. This organization has remarkable contribution in eliminating infectious diseases from the country and preventing six deadly diseases such as measles, diphtheria, tetanus, tuberculosis, polio, and whooping cough of children. And not only that, the organization is also working to get rid of malaria, ensures pure drinking water, improves sewerage system, and reduces child and mother mortality rate. WHO has notable achievements in controlling cholera and diarrhea in Bangladesh. So dear student, you will write this answer from your book also. Okay. Now number D, organization 1 plays role to preserve tradition in Bangladesh. So organization 1, that means UNESCO. So already we know that UNESCO plays a role to preserve tradition in Bangladesh. So here you will not write the objectives of UNESCO, just you will give the information of UNESCO about Bangladesh. Okay. So your second para that is Bangladesh joined UNESCO on 27th October 1972. The government of Bangladesh formed the UNESCO Commission in 1973, and this organization helps UNESCO to implement their activities in Bangladesh. UNESCO has significant roles in eliminating illiteracy. The organization has special interest in adult education, science education, communication development, and preserving cultural heritage. Okay, then you will write that is UNESCO has extended their help to preserve heritage of the Sundarbans and others, as well as such as the 60 domes mosque or Shat Gombuz Masjid in Bagherhat and Paharpur Bodh Vihar in Naga. So dear student, you also write this from your book, and just you will provide the information of UNESCO relating Bangladesh. So today after this you will complete this and inbox me after city. Okay. So after this, goodbye everyone.